Hey everyone, it's Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to control your PlayStation 5 using your TV remote. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So do you want to ditch your PlayStation 5 controller when you're watching a movie or doing some other activity on your PlayStation? Well, this is very easy to do. So on my TV remote, I have like a D-pad right in the middle. So if I go ahead and press right on the D-pad, as you can see, the PlayStation 5 menus are now moving. So let's go over to like the capture gallery or the media gallery and select the middle button right here and then go into one of these clips. So let's choose this clip right here. So I'm going to choose it. Now I'm going to press the pause button and it's going to pause the clip. Press the play button and it will continue playing. If I fast forward, it will skip ahead. So how am I able to do this using my TV remote? Well, this is very easy to do. Let's go back to the home screen here and then go up to the settings section and select settings. Now scroll on down to system and select system. Then go over to HDMI and then go over to enable HDMI Device Link. Then enable One Touch Play and enable Power Off Link. Now Power Off Link lets you turn off your TV, and if you turn off your TV, your PlayStation 5 will also turn off. So make sure HDMI Device Link is turned on and enabled. Now if I press the source button on my TV remote and bring open my source list, for me, I have to go to Anynet Plus HDMI CEC for my remote to work. So when I select this source out of my source menu, I'm able to use my controller for my TV. Now if I go to these standard HDMI settings right here for the sources, that won't work with my TV remote for some reason. I have to go to the HDMI CEC section. Now this may be different on your TV. So make sure this is enabled on your PlayStation. Now let's go to the menu section on my TV and enable this on my TV as well. So let's go down to system. I'm using a Samsung TV. This may be different for your TV, but look for these options. Now let's go over and scroll on down under this list. And here we have HDMI CEC once again. So HDMI CEC is enabled and turned on. For Samsung, it's called Anynet Plus. So let's back out of this. Now, when you have HDMI Device Link enabled, one thing that is really cool is when I turn on my PlayStation using the controller, the TV will automatically turn on as well. And it will automatically switch over to the correct input source. So I don't have to go through the different source menus on here to select my PlayStation. So that is how you use your TV remote with your PlayStation 5. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.